Hi guys, today we have another unboxing video on a car charger from Beasus. Okay, so quick look around the box. This is a magnetic wireless charging car bracket, 40 watts wireless charging, 15 watts plus C port 2. Anything else in respect with the okay, so it's an input DC 12 volts or 24 volts, and obviously the total power is 40 watts as mentioned previously. Dynamic lighting effects with built-in car charger, which is a bonus, so this comes with a car charger or the lighter socket. Okay, so sorry, the box is a bit tattered because that's the way it got delivered through AliExpress. So this has been purchased by myself from China. Okay, bear with me 1 second. Okay, so I need my knife, Yorkie knife. Okay, we're gonna open this like that. Quickly through the content. Oh, it's actually it had a peeling top. I didn't even see that. Oh well. So let's pull the content out of the box. Hopefully it's all intact. Okay, so we have, I suppose, the manual. Oh no, what? Oh, so many bits and bobs. Okay, and then that charger, move that away. Let's have a look what we've got. I'm curious now. So many things now. Okay, so we got some sticker, I suppose. I'm not too sure what's that for. You've got instructions. Okay, this is for your Magsafe ring on the phone. You've got some kind of a guide for the 13 and 13 Pro. Oh, so these are for the different models. So we got the 12 minis, 10s, 10s, 14 Pro, 11 Pro, XR, 11, XS, wow, 11 Pro Max, 12, 13, 14, 12, 13 Pro Max, and 14 Pro Max and 14 Pro Plus. So these are all guides of how you're supposed to put them flush against your phone and install the Magsafe ring, which comes with this, which is actually quite nice add-on. I'm not going to need this because I've got a Magsafe case. Okay, you've also got the Beasus instructions manual. Okay, and this is the big moment. This is the charger with the lighter socket. Okay, so this is actually quite nice. It's actually quite small, with USB-C. So one less thing to worry about. Obviously, you are limited by the length of cable. In this particular case, yeah, the length is, I think, to modern standards is sufficient. And it's silicone wire, by the way, so it's quite flexible and you can get around places. To be fair, the quality of this feels well built. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm touching this for the first time. This is some kind of a, the frame is solid. I'll be curious to try this against on my car. Yeah, you've got a button on here. I'm not entirely sure what the button is for. Let me see if it actually says in the manual. 3 and 4. And we're looking for the English bit, so the English is on page. It's not this, Espanol, Deutsch. Just quickly to work out. Okay, so 5 and 4. Wireless charging switch and wireless charging switch indicator. Okay, so instead of, I suppose this is the light that comes on and you can turn it off and turn it on. interested. So this is what you get in the pack. Obviously you pull these ones out and then you lock it in. I don't know if you can see that. I suppose the only issue with this is that obviously they do go quite far. It's the base. It's not big enough, at least for my car vent. So basically, when you put it on and lock it up, when it pulls tight, the vent can still flap up, up and down. But generally, rubberized materials with the Beasus letters on, Beasus. Some letters at the back, a cable directly connected, comes with a lighted plug, which is actually nice. You got Magsafe rings, so overall the package is quite good. You got all things necessary, but probably for my car I'll need to print like an additional adapter here, adapter plate, 3D printed adapter plate where it's going to be slightly wider, just to allow me to get it nice and tight against my car vent. But yeah, that's about it guys. Sorry I wasted so much of your time. Again, this is a non-sponsored video. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll put a link in the description. It's from AliExpress. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can buy this off Amazon. I'm not affiliated with AliExpress, but I think I've got this quite cheap, something like £10 or so. And yeah, it came within a week, so if you can wait a week, yeah, why not? Give it a go. But for now, take care and have a good night. Bye.